having so much fucking ice. How you coming, bro? Let me see. Shout out having big. Oh, yes, indeed. Hey, Blo, how you coming, Blo? Yes, sir. I got OG Scott with me. OG Scott, put him down. Rich OG's on the way, yeah. On my mama. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Know how we coming. How you coming, Blo? Yeah, I got Blo with me. Big rat. Big rat game, Blo. You know you having big rat, baby. That bitch ain't right, baby. Look at Shawty. You know he going. Yeah. Yes, sir. Ain't having time to be playing with y'all people. Yeah. Yes, sir. You know what the fuck we doing? No time to be talking to y'all broke ass niggas. Motherfucking ice check, nigga. Big ice check, you know what I'm saying?
Scotty, okay. Yeah,
sorry.
You know what I'm saying?
Sorry.
Can't ride your way.
No, sir. Point you down.
Man, my phone is died.
Big Glock shit, geeked up.
Yeah. Your tone is.
Shoot, they can see this shit.
They know it. They know we in the middle of a shoot. They ain't better stop playing. Right. Stop calling me. Y'all see I'm on live. So quit calling the phone. I know you been tuned in. Whoever called the phone. You see it. You see us. we handling business.
Man, you just had out here get the laughing like motherfucker. So how you going?
Where your hoe at? Yeah. Where that hoe at? Where your hoe at, campaign? Yep, you did.
Hey, Duddy, I can't wait to crack the smile. Yeah, we all geeked up right now. We all geeked up.
How young, bro?